Oh, Mr. Moon, you shine so bright. You guide our way with your moonlight. We are all friends here.
There's another shooting star, Moonbär. How can anything be that bright?
Moon says shooting stars are actually stargirls, and they zoom around in the sky granting wishes.
Do you think that's true?
We can ask a shooting star. It's coming back. Duck, Ladybird!
I can't duck!
Swoop then! Oh, here it comes again! Run!
I can't run!
Fly then! That was close.
I hope the forest doesn't catch fire.
Hey, wait for me! Moon also told me that shooting stars are so bright they can damage your eyes. Oh, did you hear that?
Oh.
Hello, I'm Moonbär.
I'm Blinki. Where am I?
On Earth.
This is Earth? I've always wanted to come here.
Oh no, I think we need a doctor.
I'll get Jonathan.
According to this book, you can revive a star girl with star rain.
Is star rain like ordinary rain?
It doesn't say.
Maybe star rain falls from the stars, and that means it must fall at night.
Oh, I know. The grass is always wet early in the morning. That must be star rain.
Then star rain must be dew.
I got the star rain.
It's not very much.
I had to brush thousands of blades of grass to get that much.
Let's just hope it's enough.